Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create multiple certificates or serial letters and send them to individual participants. Let's say that you have organized a symposium or seminar where hundreds of participants took part, and at the end they wanted to have certificate of their attendance. So there are two parts of this video tutorial. In first part, we are going to show how to create hundreds of certificate or any number you want. And in the second part, I'm going to show you how to send this certificate to individual participant. Now, to create multiple certificates, you need basically two things: the list of participants in the Excel file, like their name, their email, and the duration, or any other information you want. Here I have just a short list. I could use Excel list, but I didn't want to expose people's personal information, so I'm going to use the information of my team. And then secondly, you need a template for certificates. This is just template. We are gonna change here and here, first name, last name, and also in duration, how much time they spend in the seminar or whatever. Now to create this certificate, we are going to use this template. Our list is ready. So first let's go here, mailing, and you see this is the all these menus related to this mailing, and some of them are graded because we didn't select any list. So we are gonna start here step by step, mail mark wizard, and here this is as letter. So we simply click the next step and use the current document as the certificate. That's what we are going to use. And the next, we are going to select the recipient. And now here in the browse, we are going to locate this Excel file in this folder, the participants. Click OK, and here you see all the column in the Excel. We are going to use all of them probably, or keep it. Then we are going to make change later. Now our list is selected. Now you see these menus. Now you can make change here. So first let's select first name, because we want to change here, and insert merge field, and here there's going to be first name from the Excel file. Make sure there is space here, and the last name, select, and then insert last name. All right, and here we are going to insert the duration. So select it and click here duration. Make sure there are space before and after. I think it's now ready. So now next, write your letter. Is everything all right? And preview. Now you see it's now changed according to the information in the Excel sheet. So simply my name and the duration in minute. It's updated here, and now click complete. It's now complete. Now we are going to print it. We are going to print all of the certificates, and here as a printer we are going to export this as a PDF. So select this printer or any other PDF making printer in your computer, but by default in Windows this Microsoft Print to PDF is available. So select it and then click OK. Now you need to choose the folder where all these certificates should be saved. We are going to use same folder here, and we are going to name it like certificate or whatever you want, and then save. Now all the certificates are created. See here, this is 1, another one, and you see information are being changed according to the information in the Excel sheet. Now let's say that you want to insert another field here, like title, for example. To do so, you can do like first, probably save this, close, and if you open this up again, click yes. Now you can insert, go mailing. You see you can still select these. Now you see title here. Again, make sure that you have space in between, and if you go to here, step by step, mail merge, then title, first name, last name. I see it's now perfectly done. Preview, insert, and complete the merge. Again, print, and we're going to print all of them, same printer, and select probably same, like replace previous one, we don't need that one. Or now if you check it, you see now Mr. and Mrs., all this information is updated. Now you see this is complete as single PDF. We are gonna now split this certificate. To do so, I normally use online tool, for example. Oh, hello, this is our team. Anyway, we are gonna use this online splitting tool. So search split PDF. You can use any one. So you can, for example, you can use this one and select PDF file. Not here, here, this, and use this menu, extract pages. Now you see all this certificates. Make sure all of them are selected and split, and then download. All right, it's being downloaded as a zip file. Go to folder, probably copy it and paste it in your original folder where you are making certificate, and extract them. For example, extract all here. You see now all these certificates in our folders are created. This is in this folder. You can actually take them out in any other folder. I mean, it's not important, it's up to you. And we don't need this file anymore. Paste here, delete that, don't need this. So these are the individual certificate that we have created. Now in the next video we are gonna see how to send these individual certificates to these participants, to this email as listed here. So I'll see you again.